In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collaborate on Miro in real time. If you're working with a remote team or simply want to boost your group's creativity, this guide will help you unlock the full power of Miro's live collaboration tools. Let's get started. Once you've opened your Miro board, head to the top right corner and click the blue Share button. This is where the magic begins. From here, you can manage how others interact with your board by setting permissions. Choose whether they can edit, comment, or view only. These options give you full control over how your teammates participate. When you're ready, it's time to invite your collaborators. You can share the board by sending an email invitation, copying a shareable link, or using invitation links directly. If you're using Miro Lite, you can even invite people without requiring them to sign up. They'll have access for up to 24 hours to edit the board. It's perfect for quick brainstorming sessions. Now, let's talk about the real-time collaboration experience. This is where Miro truly shines. Multiple people can work on the same board simultaneously, adding sticky notes, drawing, rearranging shapes, or connecting ideas with arrows and lines. Every change appears instantly, so you can actually see your teammates' cursors moving and watch updates happen live. This live visual interaction makes meetings, planning sessions, and creative workshops far more dynamic and engaging. There's virtually no lag, so your ideas can flow naturally, no matter where your team is located, across the table or across the world. By using these collaboration tools, you will transform how your team works together, building faster, sharing ideas freely, and turning creativity into real progress. And that's it. You now know how to collaborate in real time on Miro. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your team. See you in the next guide, and happy collaborating!